So here's my Ninja ZX-4RR 2024. Some of you guys asked for a walk around. I came from a Ninja 300, and some things I like about this bike more than my 300, that's a lot smoother, has a little more power, and it actually feels like a real bike, if that makes any sense. Like the power modes, the TFT display is pretty good. It's a big upgrade, and it sounds amazing. At this point, I probably don't need another sport bike. This does everything I need. It's enough power for the streets for me, at least. Handles really good. Some things that I've done to it so far are what do you see here? I have if you haven't noticed, the TFT, or actually Tst Fender Eliminator with the integrated tails. I have the Yoshimura AT2 slip-on exhaust. It's pretty loud. I've actually thinking about getting a silencer or decibel killer just to see if it helps. I could only imagine what a full exhaust sound like. I also have the Womet-tech Swingarm spools, the Womet-tech Shorty shifters. I also have, of course, the clutch. One tip that I have is when you remove the clutch, there's this little module right here. I suggest that you heat up the screws when you remove them, because it does have Loctite and you will damage the screws if you don't do it. Trust me, I know. I do have the Spec tank grips, and that's pretty much it. I do have a, off-brand quad lock type thing, and it works just fine for what I need. So far, I'm pretty happy with all the mods that I have. The only thing that I'd probably get next is frame sliders. I'm not too sure which ones I want yet, but I think the Graves ones, I'm not too sure how I like how that looks. I get it. This is how the TST integrated tail blinkers look like, if you're wondering. That's about it. The only thing I'd probably get next is a tune. Probably a radiator guard, frame sliders, a windscreen. I looked at a lot of windscreens and I don't see anything out there that screams buy me, or it doesn't give me the need to actually buy it. So for now, this windscreen's good enough. Yeah, it's a perfect bike for me. If anything, probably next bike will probably be a cruiser. I'd probably get put on some stickers. I kind of like how they look on the wheels that are on the KRT edition. But yeah, totally happy with the bike. Can't complain. The only thing I don't like is it seems like black tends to show the scratches a little bit more and the dust, whereas my Ninja 300 previously was white and you couldn't really notice the scratches or dust too often. Yeah, that's about it. I'll give you guys a quick rev and some sound clips.